Hey everyone, we're back with special guest Andres.
Hey, how you doing?
Stallion 5.0, newest baby daddy. We're laying some graphics on the F1 Shitty, and which, by the way, my daughter has dubbed Shelby. I think it's very fitting. So from here on out, it's Shelby. But anyways, we just got done cutting some graphics. We're gonna apply it to the hood, and we're gonna add an accent graphic as well. Check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. Alright, now we're setting the adhesive on the vinyl. Look how clean that looks. It's a nice subtle accent. I can't wait to do the roof. Alright buddy, happy belated. The last time I saw you, you were super duper hungover, so I didn't want to...
Don't remember.
Yep, yep.
Yeah, shout out to Todd. Thank you, bro.
No, thank you, man. Dude,
This is awesome.
enjoy.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Brother.
Cheers.
Let me know what you think.
Oh. That's smooth.
Yeah?
That's really smooth. Wow.
A little bit of sweetness on the back end.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, that's amazing. Look at that. You guys love tequila?
It's not bad.
Ooh, this is awesome.
Enjoy, man.
Thank you, man.
Alright, so we cut the silver accent. Ready to rock. Andres is about to do some magic.
See how it goes.
You know, he accepts payment in like Bitcoin, Ether. Cash always works too.
V-chain.
V-chain, tequila.
Tequila.
So here's the finished product. the roof and the hood has a real nice consistency, but it's just one of those things where you're not going to notice it unless you got a good eye, which is what I like.